Hi Dry So Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Izzy from My Little Pony. So let's get started. To draw this cute unicorn, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and I'm going to draw a big curve. It comes over, and down, and then we're just going to go ahead and connect it at the bottom with a curve. Then let's come right across, so say about right here, and we're going to do the same thing. Go up nice and high, come down, and connect. Then from there, let's come inside and we're going to draw a circle right about here, and same thing over here. And then let's come in here and I'm going to add some highlights. So 2 circles, so one on this top part and one at the bottom right here. And then inside we're going to just draw this other circle or oval and shade it all in. And when you color, this is where all the colors of the eyes are going to be. So same thing over here. There, and then let's come back in here and we're going to thicken the top curve up just to anchor these eyes a little bit better. Since I notice this eye is a bit smaller, I'm just going to thicken the outside. There, so hopefully we're a little bit more even now. Okay, so now that we have the eyes in between the eyes, we're going to draw a very soft curve for the nose area right here, right in between. And then let's add 2 little dots for the nostrils. And then a big smile for Izzy. So about right here, go ahead and draw a big curve and then cap it off. Very happy unicorn, right? So then from there, we're going to have to start to draw her face. So I'm going to come to this point right here. Her eye, I'm going to come out just a little bit right here and give myself a point. And this is where I'm going to just imagine kind of like drawing a circle. I mean, a bottom of a U under her face. So about right here, I'm going to go up. So the top right here. I'm going to start this curve that comes under. So towards the center right here, underneath her chin. And then we're going to go up. There. So I'm going to stop right there because she has some hair that's coming on this side. So from there, let's come back up right here. We're going to bring this up. Just bring it up a little bit, and about right there, I'm going to stop. And I'm going to draw 1 strand of hair really close to her eye, go back up, and then I'm going to bring a curve right down over this eye. Right here and down, and let's see here. Then as we come over here, we're just going to curve it a little bit right there just to frame that side. And then whatever space you have left, just go ahead and finish off her face. There. And then her brow, before I forget, I'm just going to come about right here. Just draw a curve in whatever space I have. And I'll just thicken it up to simplify it. There. Okay, now I'm looking at my eye. Let's round this off a little bit more. Okay, so then from there, then that we have that in, let's come up in the center right here and about in this area, nice and high. I'm going to draw a curve. And I'm going to go up straight in the center and about right there, round off the tip. Come down at an angle on both sides for her horn. And I'll just come in here and add some curves to give our horn some volume. And then we can go ahead and draw her hair. So using this point right here, I'm going to go up and go nice and high. Let's say about right here. Then I'll bring this down, overlapped, come down to the sides and just wobble a little bit right there. But we want it nice and high. Then on this side, we're going to come right back here and we're just going to draw a curl. Come out and curl right back in to frame her face on the other side. Then let's draw her ear. So it's going to be right here tucked in. So I'm going to come down right here, curve, and another curve, and then just draw the inside curve right there. So on the other side, we're going to do the same thing. Just drag a point across right here, just a little bit of it, and bring it in. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go ahead and we're going to start her neck. So let's come right here, nice and centered, about here and here, and thick. I'm going to come right here and draw a curve. And then on this side, it's going to be a little bit smoother. I'm going to come down over neck and then chest area. So let's bring this down. So we're imagining this little oval body about right here. Just keep that in mind. So now that we have this neck area in, we want to start to build her body. So with this neck, just imagine you're going to be connecting it with an oval for her body. So using this as my curve, as my guide, I'm just going to kind of skip a little bit, and about right here, I'm going to draw a curve. So this is kind of like the beginning of her body where the oval is, right in the center, right there. Then from there, we can go ahead and let's bring this down. So I'm going to give it a little bump right here and then go down for her legs. So right about here, we're going to start to separate, and here. So let's work on this leg first. Bring it all the way down. Getting a little bit wider as we come down. Let's say about right there. And connect with a curve. So same thing over here. Let's bring this down. Make it a little bit longer. So say about right there. And whatever space I have left, I'll go ahead and finish this. And so the thing with Izzy is that she has really long hair. So I'm going to use the hair to kind of block a lot of things so I don't have to draw it and make it a little bit easier. So I'm just remembering that she has all this hair here. So let's come right here. We're just going to start to curve down. So this is the other leg and I want to cover part of it. So it's just coming all the way down. Give it some curves. And maybe one more right here. And so then imagining this and the other leg same width, so about right here, I'll pop in another angle and connect there. So hopefully that wasn't too hard. We just want to be able to cover this area. Oh, let's see here. You know what, that looks kind of weird with the 3. Sorry, I'm just going to make it 2. And I'll just come here really quickly and erase that. Oops, wrong whiteout pen. That one has no more. This one is much better. Okay, so there. 2 curls, and then now that we have this set in, let's come back here and we're going to draw the rest of her hair. But we want to kind of keep it in this area. So let's come back right about here. And just put in 1 curl for some detail. Come out. Right here. Just wobble. And another curve right here. just to fill up this space. And you can come in here with some more details, maybe some more curls if you like. Or you can do this when you're coloring so it's not such a harsh black line. Okay, so there, let's come over here. So like I said, we're imagining an oval in this area, right, for her body. So I'll come about right here. I'm just going to pop out a little indication of her back. So this, come down, right here, it's still this oval. And then right here, we're going to come out for a back leg, curve it out, and then we're going to come down to about right there, a little bit higher, and go ahead and same width and connect. There. So hopefully that wasn't too tricky. You just want to still, so if you're using a pencil, you can definitely just draw this part in first, oops, and then put in her hair. Okay, so now that we have that set in, the hardest part is done. Let's come back right here, and we're going to just pop out indication of her tail. So I'm just going to curl it all the way down and taper in with her back. And so then let's come back on this side for the rest of her hair. On this side, short. So just give a curve and just tuck it in there. And so then for some details on her legs right here for her hoof, I'm going to come right here, just draw a curve, curve, and same thing here. Curve. And she has this little ankle bracelet, right? So I'm going to come right here and just draw 3 circles and then connect it to make it a little bit simpler. And let's see, am I missing anything else? So like I said, you can draw all these details, or you can just do it when you're coloring. And so they're all done. I really hope you love how Izzy here turned out from My Little Pony, and I helped you draw this fun and easy. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.